लॉन्ग शॉट मारो पेंट डाल के रखे झाड़ू के चले
My name is J. Pravina Nayak. I have secured 216 rank overall, and I'm state first in my college. I mean, in this AP, state first in this AP. As per rules, I should get a seat in Usmania Dental College, but when I entered into a counseling center, they didn't give me the seat. They said you have to opt another private college. I asked them, I begged them, sir, as per rules, I have to get in government college. They said no, this seat has been converted to AU region. I struggled for an half an hour. They didn't reply me. They said wherever you want to go, you can go and rectify. We are correct within ourselves. I know I don't get any justice. I came back to Telangana here. I asked my CM. I requested my CM. He said, yes, ma, you are right, because you have merit. You should get a seat. And then I met him. He personally advised me to meet here DME. He is Director of Medical Education. I met him. He said we were wrong in our step. Definitely we'll definitely we'll do justice. Then I said, this was a matter about 1 week. Okay, it was about 1 week I met CM. They said okay, I'll get a justice, but I can't believe words, right? Okay, they said we'll not release any notifications like that. But the moment they said me, same day evening they released notification of second counselling. As per rules, our second counselling was today and tomorrow, but it has been postponed to 10th. Right now I can't believe them, because unless I don't get a notice or I don't get any official letter that you will have your seat, I decided to sit here in the front of DME. Unless I get an answer, I'll not get up from here. I'm just waiting for the reply. Once I get reply, I'll definitely inform you. I personally didn't meet him, but by seeing media, he had stopped the admissions in government college. The other students who have secured a nice ranks and seat, he didn't admit them in our college, Usmania College. He said until my issue is solved, he said he'll not admit any other student. So I'm very thankful to him, but personally I didn't met Rajaya sir, but I'm waiting till the justice comes.
కోర్టుకు వచ్చినాయి డాక్టర్స్ స్టూడెంట్స్ హెచ్ఆర్డీ రేపు కూడా ఉందంట డిప్యూటీ సీఎం సీఎం వెళ్తుండగా డిప్యూటీ సీఎం